In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Now if you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need at least one, so to fix it, hit this gear at the top. Then make sure that offer to save passwords is on. Log into any app and hit save in Autofill pop-up. This way your password will appear over here and you'll be able to add any other one you need. To do it now, you need to click on this plus next to search passwords. Then input all of those informations. At the top, pick any website or click on select app and click on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finished, hit save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!